Hello friends, welcome to this series of videos where I will discuss beginner to intermediate level concepts in statistics. I will explain topics in descriptive and inferential statistics that are commonly used for data analysis across various fields. What follows is a series of 10 videos beginning with scales of measurement, data cleaning techniques, and graphical representation of data, proceeding to concepts such as central limit theorem, and then hypothesis testing and time series analysis. For your convenience, the links to these videos are given in the description below. Feel free to write comments and ask questions. Let us begin.